Scalp psoriasis is a condition characterized by discomfort, itching and dryness which causes scales to fall off the scalp. If proper treatment is not received on time, hair can fall out and psoriasis can also spread to the entire body. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Megha Chaturvedi and today I am here to guide you through some effective strategies to say goodbye to those flakes from your scalp. And I know it's not just about those flakes, it's about the discomfort, the frustration and the impact it can have on your confidence. So the symptoms of scalp psoriasis can be frustrating, causing itching, redness, dreaded flakes that seem everywhere on your scalp and behind your neck. But before we get into the solutions, let us understand what scalp psoriasis is and why it occurs. Scalp psoriasis is a chronic autoimmune condition that spreads up the growth cycle of the skin cells. The rapid turnover leads to the formation of thick, scaly patches on the scalp, which can be incredibly itchy and uncomfortable. And the factors of scalp psoriasis are genetics, stress, and environmental triggers that can increase the condition, making it a real challenge to manage. So now I am sharing some effective strategies, and by using these strategies you can easily manage your scalp psoriasis. Number 1. Take a vitamin E capsule and extract vitamin E from it. Mix coconut and vitamin E oil and then apply it to your scalp. This mixture of coconut and vitamin E oil helps to manage dryness and itching because it moisturizes your scalp very well, and by doing it regularly you can also see a positive difference in your psoriasis. And you can also add honey to it, as honey contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties such as flavonoids and polyphenols. These compounds help reduce inflammation associated with psoriasis flare-up and provide relief from itching and discomfort. Number 2. You have to identify your skin's irritants, like which soap and shampoos are making your psoriasis worse and whether you are getting any allergies by using them. This is very important because if you keep using such things, your psoriasis will worsen. Always use natural products. I recommend you use Sia body wash and shampoo, which are 100% Ayurvedic and natural. These Sia products will prevent allergies and manage your psoriasis as well. Immediately after bathing, you can massage your scalp with any natural or essential oil such as Soria oil, Sia's hibiscus oil or tea tree oil. It will also provide the links to all these products in the description below. You can buy the products by clicking on the link and applying them on the regular basis. By applying all these products, you will get a lot of help managing the problems and you're facing, such as itching, dryness, flakiness associated with your psoriasis. Remember, by nourishing your scalp with the right products, you can create a protective barrier against dryness and irritation, effectively reducing the frequency and severity of flare-up. And number 3, last but not the least, do not underestimate the power of lifestyle modifications in managing scalp psoriasis. Avoiding triggers such as stress, smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can go a long way in keeping flare-ups at bay. Additionally, incorporating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables and omega-3 fatty acids can help support overall skin health. Always remember one thing, managing scalp psoriasis is not our goal. If you have to eliminate psoriasis from its roots, then you need the right treatment and guidance so that you can eliminate it from its roots and become completely free from psoriasis. So treating scalp psoriasis is all about finding what works best for you and using the right combination of treatment and lifestyle adjustments. So that is all for today's video, and I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you have any questions you can ask them in the comment box or by calling the number mentioned in the video and getting on the right track. Let us work together to find the best treatment plan for you. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay strong, stay confident and never let scalp psoriasis hold you back.